If you clicked on this video, you are likely pregnant, interested in breastfeeding, and you may even be wondering how your partner can actually help when you're the one breastfeeding. Well, you're not alone. In today's episode, we're diving deep into how your partner can play a crucial role in your breastfeeding journey, even though they won't be the one physically feeding the baby. So, spoiler alert, your partner is about to become your biggest cheerleader and your secret weapon for your breastfeeding success. Welcome to today's episode. If you're pregnant and planning to breastfeed for the first time, this one's for you. My name is Stephanie Poole. I'm a certified lactation consultant and doula, and I'm here to help you and your partner get fully prepared for your breastfeeding journey before your baby arrives. Yes, you heard me right, both of you. All right, let's start with something that might surprise you. Breastfeeding is not just a solo act. While you're the one physically feeding the baby, having a strong support system, especially from your partner, can make all the difference in your breastfeeding success. Studies have shown that women who have supportive partners are more likely to meet their breastfeeding goals. But how does your partner fit into all of this? I've worked with a lot of moms who share the same concern. They're worried they'll have to do everything by themselves, especially when it comes to feeding the baby. They fear being overwhelmed, burnt out, and the loneliness that can come with being the only one who can breastfeed. So trust me, I get it. The key here is to shift that mindset and understand that while your partner can't physically breastfeed, there are tons of ways that they can actively support you before and after the baby is born. So let's talk about what your partner can do right now, even before your baby is born, to help you prepare for breastfeeding. Before breastfeeding, you can learn about breastfeeding together. One of the best ways to set both of you up for success is to learn about breastfeeding as a team. That way, your partner will understand what to expect, what normal breastfeeding looks like, and how to troubleshoot common issues like latch problems or low milk supply. Encourage a partner to take my course, Teach Me How to Breastfeed, with you. That way, both of you are on the same page and can tackle challenges together, head on. My next tip is to create a supportive environment. Your partner can also help by making sure you have a comfortable space for breastfeeding, whether that's setting up a nursing station at home with a cozy chair, maybe some pillows, snacks, and water, or just learning how to adjust the lighting and environment so that you feel calm and relaxed while feeding. Another way for your partner to support your breastfeeding journey is to know the early signs of breastfeeding challenges. What I mean by that is if your partner knows what early breastfeeding struggles look like pain during nursing or the baby not latching properly, they can be the first one to suggest reaching out for help. It's a team effort, and your partner can be your extra set of eyes and ears during those exhausting first days. Now, let's dive into the real action plan, how your partner can support you after the baby arrives. My first tip is to help with positioning and comfort. Positioning your baby correctly is key to a good latch and a comfortable breastfeeding experience. Your partner can help by making sure you're supported with pillows, adjusting your baby's head or body, and keeping an eye on your posture. Having an extra set of hands during those late night feedings is a game changer. My next tip is a big one. A way for your partner to support your breastfeeding journey after the baby arrives is to take over non-feeding tasks. Breastfeeding is demanding, but your partner can take over a lot of the non-feeding tasks to lighten your load, whether it's changing diapers, birthing the baby after a feed, or making sure you're staying hydrated and well fed. These small actions make a huge difference. And trust me, when you're dealing with sleepless nights, having a partner who's got your back is everything. Now, who would I be if I didn't state the obvious? The obvious way for your partner to offer support in your breastfeeding journey is to simply offer emotional support. Breastfeeding can be emotionally taxing, especially in the early days. Your hormones are all over the place, and you might even feel frustrated, discouraged, or like you're failing. This is where your partner's emotional support comes in. Simple things like a kind word, a hug, or a reminder that you're doing a great job can keep you going when you feel like giving up. I know you might be thinking, but I should be able to do this on my own, right? No, it's okay to need help. Breastfeeding is not meant to be done in isolation. In fact, the more you and your partner work as a team, the smoother the journey will be. Now, with that being said, even with the best support, there's going to be challenges along the way. So let's talk about how to navigate them together. First of all, be honest about how you're feeling. If you're tired, if you're overwhelmed or in pain, let your partner know. This is a two-way street, and the more you both communicate, the easier it'll be to solve any problems that come up. Also, if things aren't going well, whether it's latching issues, low milk supply, or pain, don't wait to ask for help. Your partner can be the one to make the call to a lactation consultant or even just to remind you that it's okay to get extra help. It's all about teamwork. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. With the right support system, you and your partner can tackle any breastfeeding challenge that comes your way. Okay, we've covered a lot today. I would love to meet you in the comments and hear your biggest takeaways and how you plan to include your partner in your breastfeeding journey. If you're ready to build a solid breastfeeding support system, I've got just the thing for you. Check out my course, Teach Me How to Breastfeed, designed specifically for first-time moms. You'll learn everything you need to know about getting started on the right foot with breastfeeding. Click the link below and sign up. And don't forget, share this episode with other expecting moms. And if you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy birthday.